Let's discuss what is meant by WCB and quadrantal bearing. First of all, what is meant by bearing? Bearing is nothing but the horizontal angle made with the meridian. Okay. Bearing of any line is nothing but the horizontal angle made by that line with the meridian. That meridian might be the true meridian or magnetic bearing. Magnetic meridian. Now what is meant by WCB? WC is nothing but the whole circle bearing, right? It stands for whole circle bearing. Now, how to find out the whole circle bearing for any line? Let's see. So as the name itself suggests, it is nothing but a complete circle, right? In which we are going to show the direction as a north direction and east direction. So please keep in mind, whenever you mark the north direction in upward direction, you should always mark the east direction on right hand side of the north direction. Okay. Now, for example, let's say I will draw a line from here, let's say a line OA, and the angle made by this line with the south direction, let's say 30 degree. Okay. So what will be the whole circle bearing of this line? So it is nothing but the angle made by this line with the positive north direction. Why I am saying positive? Because we are going to measure the angle with clockwise direction, right? So this angle we are going to measure always in a clockwise direction. So WCB for this line will be equal to 180 plus 30, that is 210 degree. Now in case of quadrantal bearing, let's see, we will take the same example, north and east. So here it is south and west. Okay. Now same example, let's say OA, and this angle is 30 degree. So what is quadrantal bearing? Quadrantal bearing is nothing but the acute angle, acute angle made by that line with the north or south direction, whichever is closer. So in case of OA line, the closer direction is south direction. So angle made by this OA line, and that also acute angle. If you see obtuse angle, this will be obtuse angle made by this line with the south direction. This will be the angle. So that angle we don't have to take as a quadrantal bearing. We have to take the acute angle. Now how to represent a quadrantal bearing? How to write a quadrantal bearing? So it will be like this. You should write a south or north direction first, then an angle, then you should write the east or west. So we are measuring in towards the west, so it will be south 30 degree west. Okay. So the whole circle bearing for line OA will be 210, and quadrantal bearing for the same line will be south 30 degree west. Now whole circle bearing can vary from 0 to 360 degree, right? And quadrantal bearing will vary from 0 to 90 degree. Then one more important point in case of whole circle bearing and quadrantal bearing is, whole circle bearing is measured with the prismatic compass. Please keep in mind prismatic compass. And in case of quadrantal bearing, it is measured with the surveyor compass. What is the basic difference between prismatic compass and surveyor compass? The markings. In case of prismatic compass, markings are like this: 0, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree and 360 degree. In case of surveyor compass, marking are like this: 0, 0 in north and south direction and 90 degree in east and west direction. Okay.